the judiciary has the sole authority to arbitrate on the issues affecting Kenyans. And we, as law-abiding Kenyans, will respect the wishes of the decisions of the judiciary. If they say that Ruto cannot be president or cannot run for that high office, so be it. If they say Uhuru Kenyatta cannot run for president, so be it. We shall respect it. But we are not going to allow unauthorized persons to meander and get into areas that do not concern them. We respect the courts. That is why we have taken our time to defend our position according to law. But even the judiciary does not operate in a vacuum. It must accept that it is a subset of the society. The society is not a subset of the judiciary. We understand there are cases that can originate at the Supreme Court, but this is not one of those cases that should start at the Supreme Court. And we as TNA say that cannot and will not happen. We realize their frustration, their desire, their wish to block certain candidates from contesting the forthcoming presidential elections. But justice will not be compromised for the interest of a few people who have got specific agenda to block certain candidates for running for offices in this country. So we protest and we ask the judiciary to stand firm and to insist that due process must be followed, so that if a party loses a case in a lower court, he has a chance of appealing and going to the next level. And we therefore insist that the Supreme Court has no jurisdiction whatsoever of taking this matter from the High Court. It must follow the due process. And the chairman of the Law Society, and anybody for that matter, must accept that the law is to take its full course. They must stop commenting on matters before the court. They have literally forced us to also talk on these issues, but these are issues that are squarely before the High Court and should be left for the High Court to ventilate and arrive at a judicious conclusion.